स्ट्रीमिंग ऑन
Okay.
कर दीजिएगा प्लीज।
So, good afternoon, all. My really warm welcome to all respected dignitaries, faculty members, and dear student. A warm welcome to Industry Visit, organized by KB Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and IPGA Gujarat State Branch. We are delighted to collaborate with Pharmacins Formulation Limited, which is a reputed name in Indian pharmaceutical industry. So, let us begin our session with a prayer. So there is inbuilt prayer in the presentation. Next,
Next.
next.
I think this is the prayer, right?
This is the prayer. Only just click below the PPT. There is a recording below PPT here.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. Huh.
या हेतु तुषारहार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्कर प्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा।
Before we beginning our industry visit, I would like to introduce our esteemed dignitaries who have joined us today. So let's welcome our chief guest of today's session, Dr. Arvind Kumar Gupta. He is Managing Director of Pharmacist Formulation Limited. Then Dr. Arjun Gupta, he is CEO of Pharmacist Formulation Limited. Dr. Atul Kumar Nasa, he is President of IPGA Central Branch, New Delhi. Dr. Shrikalt Deshpande sir, he is President of IPGA Gujarat State Branch and Dean of Pharmacy College in KSV. Dr. Jayabalan sir, he is Principal and Professor of Alwar Pharmacy College. Dr. Divyang Dave sir, he is Principal of KB Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research in Gandhinagar. And Dr. Ankita Bhavsar, she is State Coordinator of Women Forum IPJ Gujarat State Branch and Professor and Principal of Indukaka Ipkowala Pharmacy College. So first of all, I would like to introduce the activities of IPGA National Branch. So across India, IPGA has been organizing different activities like health camp, awareness drives, training programs, webinars, conference and to give pharmacy professionals and students a chance to grow and share their knowledge. These aren't just activity, they are the moment to connect people from different places and share the one purpose to build stronger healthcare system. Now let's get closer to our IPGA student chapter. So in IPGA student chapter, these are we conduct the activities which is led by the students to get the exposure and have chance to arrange different competitions like quiz competition, healthcare awareness rallies, poster presentation, and educational activities to grow and give voice to our ideas and have better uh, professional life. So now let's move towards the even more meaningful part of IPGA, which is IPGA Women Forum. So for this, I would like to invite Dr. Ankita Bhavsar to share some words with us regarding IPGA Women Forum.
Thank you very much, Dhwani. Main objectives of the IPGA Women Forum is to support and empower the women pharmacy professional, fostering their growth and leadership in various pharmacy settings. Key objectives here include providing a platform for the women to express their opinion, concern, and promote their advancement in governance position, and recognizes the operational professional needs for their overall expansion in the field. Hence, to achieve this many goals, we have taken initiative for conducting such activities that meets our desired goals and addressing the need of pharmacy profession. Thank you very much. Over to Dhwani.
Okay, so before we begin our tour, let us take a moment to learn more about the visionary behind the pharmacist. So for that, I would like to invite Dr. Ankita Bhavsar ma'am to share about um, Dr. Arvind Gupta sir.
Once again, thank you very much, Dhwani. I heartily welcome all the dignitaries present here, and especially Dr. Arvind Kumar Gupta as a pharmacy graduate from the University of Sagar. After serving various national and multinational companies at different levels, he is now running his own pharmaceutical company coined as Pharmacent Formulation Limited in Delhi and Haridwar. His state-of-art unit is GMP and ISO certified to produce zero-defect medicine. The Dr. Gupta believes social and welfare activities are integral part of the quality. So he is doing a lot of social activities like Beti Bachao Abhiyan, Ganga Safari Abhiyan, Quit Smoking campaign, vitamin D awareness, heat stroke awareness, and ORS campaign, as well as COVID prevention awareness and polythene-free India, etc. Har Ghar Tiranga Abhiyan patriotism is in his DNA only. That's why his company is conferred with various prestigious national and international awards for quality, productivity, and fair business practices, of which he is worth mentioning here that in the year 1997, he was conferred with Udyog Ratan Award. In the year 2000, his company was given International Quality Award. On 30th August 2008, Honorable Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh gave him the most prestigious National Award 2007 conferred by Ministry of MSME Government of India. Also from Government of Uttarakhand gave him Special Recognition Award 2007. In 2011, National Productivity Award 2009 was conferred by Productivity Council of India. And most prestigious national award of international repute, Rajiv Gandhi National Quality Award 2011 was given to him by Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Government of India. And recently, Excellence in CSR Award 2024 is given for doing social and patriotic activity by ASSOCHAM in 20th September 2024. He is also publishing a monthly journal, Global Medicine News, continuously for last 28 years. It is a great thing that he is honored with a doctorate degree for doing various social and patriotic work, particularly Bharat Mata Mandir, a unique museum and the largest collection of freedom fighters of India. Sir, I heartily welcome you on this virtual platform on behalf of IPGA. Thank you very much, sir. Sir, we would like to hear from you some inspirational words.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for giving such an elaborate introduction. Actually, I am a pharmacy graduate and have a flair कि अपने बडिंग फार्मासिस्ट के साथ कुछ बातचीत करने का मौका मिले, उनके लिए कुछ कर सकूं, ये मेरे मन में हमेशा रहता है. इसलिए मैं अभी एक्चुअल फैक्ट्री विजिट भी करवा सकता था, लेकिन अभी जरा अपग्रेडेशन मोड में चल रही है. आगे कभी मौका मिलेगा तो फिजिकल विजिट भी करवा सकेंगे. आफ्टर 3-4 months फैक्ट्री विल बी रेडी फॉर दैट पर्पज ऑल्सो. और जैसा कि सभी लोग जानते हैं, फार्मास्यूटिकल्स में क्वालिटी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. क्वालिटी, रिस्क और एफिकेसी, इन सब चीजों को देखने के लिए ना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है कि इसको कर सकेंगे अपन. अभी फिलहाल फैक्ट्री विजिट करते हैं, उसके बाद फिर जो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स होंगे तब अपन फिर मिलते हैं. राइट. थैंक यू मैम. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to introduce Mr. Arjun Gupta, sir. So Mr. Arjun Gupta is highly experienced professional in corporate administration, marketing and compliance. He is CEO of Pharmacint Formulation Limited and nationally and internationally awarded for the pharmaceutical which is a nationally and internationally awarded pharmaceutical company. With a strong background in quality manufacturing and supply chain management, he has worked to make affordable medicine available across the country. Mr. Arjun Gupta is qualified CA and hold an MBA degree from the University of Leeds in UK. He is passionate about using his knowledge and experience to bring positive change in society. He is passionate about so now we would like to hear some words from Mr. Arjun Gupta, sir.
Hello, everyone. Hi. Thank you so much, Dhwaniji, for the warm welcome and the introduction. And I hope everyone is good and safe at home as well. So I, on behalf of Pharmacint Formulations Limited, welcome all of you to today's virtual tour. And it is great to speak to all of you today. Because I'm actually so much delighted that the education institutions have taken so much initiative with the technology, and I strongly foster. Yeah. So, and I strongly foster the cooperation between the students who are gathered here. And since we all are in the pharmaceutical sector, it is not only the responsibility of us to improve the healthcare, and it is the responsibility to elevate it as well. And with the research mindset that we are actually growing with the help of all the universities today. I can actually see that many diseases are getting easily managed very well. So thank you so much again, everyone, for having me today. And now we will be playing the video of Pharmacint factory tour. And in this video, we have made a holistic tour approach towards our unit. And in this 40 minutes video, you will get to learn how various sections of a pharmaceutical manufacturing unit are actually kept on work. So I hope all of you will enjoy the session, and I hope that you all will learn something new today. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So should I start the video?
Yes, sir.
Perfect, perfect.
Before entering to the manufacturing area, first we should have a look at the layout. That will help us to understand man and material movements and location of various manufacturing processes. This is the basic layout. We are having facilities to manufacture following categories and drugs dosage form. Number 1, tablets, capsules, oral powders, oral liquid, external preparations like ointment, cream, lotions, enema, nasal drops and ear drops. We also have manufacturing area, understanding of storage and ancillary area is also equally important. Adequate area for receiving of various inputs is to be provided. There should be separate area for storage dry and excipients, primary packing materials like bottles, PP cap, tubes, strips, etc. Secondary packing materials like labels, cartons, corrugated boxes, etc. Finished goods store and dispatch way. Quarantine area, dispensing area, maintenance department, QA and QC lab, documents, control sample and record keeping area, change room, washroom, canteen, library, training and conference, first aid and health center, office, etc. are also has to be provided in the manufacturing unit. These are the area we have to provide for smooth and quality manufacture of drugs. Adequate arrangements has to be provided for water purification, steam generation, air handling and environment control, firefighting and emergency exits, electrical supply system and control, effluent treatment and pollution control, laundry arrangement, proper communication system, suitable ERP, software and computer network, security, man movement and material movements, etc. The Haridwar unit of Pharmacynth is constructed in 3 floors. First is ground floor. On this floor, there are change rooms, office, packing material store, primary filling, secondary packaging, finished goods store and dispatch way are located. On first floor, QA, QC lab, raw material store and all the manufacturing area of different sections are located in a linear fashion. This is granulation for tablet, compression, coating, inspection and final packaging section are there. This is area for hard gelatin capsules. This is for oral powders. This is for external preparations and this is for manufacturing of oral liquids. On second floor, various services are provided for smooth operations like water purification, steam generation, compressed air, air handling units, maintenance department and cosmetic section is also located on second floor. To understand all this, now we are trying to give you an overview of the unit. Welcome to Pharmacynth Haridwar unit. The foundation stone of this unit was laid down on 26th January, the Republic Day 2005, and the construction was completed on 15th August. There are 2 separate entries, one for ladies and one for gents. Change room is designed in 3 parts. In first compartment, street shoes and personal belongings are kept to their respective cupboards. And finally, they wear gowns, headgears, footwears, etc. before entering to the production area. The central packaging area is located at the ground floor and the manufacturing area for all the categories are placed at first floor, while second floor is
designed to provide various services to the manufacturing activities. Whatever the materials we receive is first matched with its bill, then checked thoroughly to ensure the correctness of material. The material then received is then cleaned, dedusted, and transferred to quarantine store. Thereafter, the sample is drawn from every consignment and from every batch of the materials. By the time it is tested, the material is stored in a separate under test designated area. The rejected material is kept in a separate and secured area till returned to the supplier. And the materials which comply with the prescribed standards are stored in the main warehouse under the prescribed conditions of storage. Packing materials are also sampled and tested as per their prescribed standard and then stored batch-wise and product-wise under their prescribed environmental conditions. Before use in production, each and every label and carton is stamped and checked for correct printing of batch number, manufacturing date, etc. All the raw materials are dispensed in a separate area especially designed for dispensing purposes under class 1 lakh condition, fitted with a dispensing booth and having all necessary weighing and dispensing arrangements. All the dispensed materials, as per the requisition from production department, are kept in a separate container and transferred to the production area of the particular category through their separate pass boxes. This is called planetary mixture. It has a powerful drive to give planetary movement to its blades for proper mixing and blending of thick creams and ointments. To make the creams smooth and free from grittiness, we pass it through online colloidal mill and stored in SS containers by the time it is tested and then transferred for filling and packing. This manufacturing area is air conditioned and supplied with 5 micron filtered air. These are aluminum collapsible tubes. The tubes are first brought out from the boxes as supplied by their manufacturers, then dedusted and cleaned with the help of vacuum cleaning machine, and then transferred to their respective primary filling area through a pass box. This area is air conditioned and supplied with 5 micron filtered air to maintain 1 lakh class of cleanliness. The tubes are open from its back and sealed from its nozzle. They are placed in the cup of rotary 5-stage tube filling machine supplied by Grace Engineers, Mumbai. On the first stage, they are once again cleaned with the vacuum cleaning arrangement. On the second stage, the required quantity is filled by a volumetric method. On the third stage, the open side of the tube is pressed and crimped properly. On this fourth stage, the batch number and expiry date is coded, and then the tube is ejected out and transferred to the packing belt. On the packing belt, each and every tube is inspected for its cleanliness and perfectness of crimping and coding. Every tube is packed in its monocarton and then in their dozen carton before they are placed in zippers. In external application section, apart from making creams and ointments, we also have separate facilities for manufacturing, filling and packing of external liquids, ear drops, nasal drops, skin lotions. It is important to mention here that we are the largest manufacturer of premium quality enema in the country. This is oral liquid manufacturing area. It is continuously supplied with fresh 5-micron filtered air. This manufacturing line is supplied by Kothari Pharma Machines, Mumbai. It has 1 sugar melting tank and 1 manufacturing tank and 2 storage tanks. This line is fitted with online colloidal mill to homogenize and to reduce the particle size of the suspensions. This comprehensive line is also fitted with a zero-hold filter press to get the finest quality of filtration. The batch is manufactured as per the validated master formula and SOPs, standard operating procedures. After completion of manufacturing, the bulk is kept for overnight for its maturation and then filtered and sample is drawn by the QC staff. After getting the OK report and proceed order from the QC department, the product is placed for filling and packaging. These are glass bottles. The bottles are first brought out from the boxes as supplied by their manufacturers, then dedusted and transferred to bottle washing area through a pass box. This area is regularly supplied with fresh 20-micron filtered air to maintain the dust-free environment. The bottles are then placed in the cup of the rotary washing machine. In this machine, the bottles are washed with pressurized jet of purified water. The washed bottles are then transferred to the turntable. Now the bottles move automatically and inspected thoroughly under a diffused light for any unwanted cracks or dirtiness. This is four-head filling station. The bottles are automatically filled with the prescribed volume and then pushed away for PP cap sealing. This is a fine precision machine. The total belt liquid filling belt is supplied by National Pharma Machines, Mumbai. The environment of this filling and sealing area is highly controlled. It is air conditioned and regularly supplied with 5 micron filtered air by a separate AHU specially designed for this purpose. This is rotary PP cap sealing machine. The cap is placed on the bottle automatically and then sealed to prevent pilferage. The sealed bottle then move out to secondary packaging area. Here, each and every filled bottle is checked for its contents, cleanliness, etc. After inspection, bottles move to automatic coding and labeling machine.
रिकॉर्डिंग करना हो तो बता देंगे इसका बता दो बोल दो
Again, thereafter, every bottle is checked for the perfectness of labeling and batch coding, etc. This is final packing of bottles in their monocartons. All the terminal points, the final shippers pack is checked and inspected for correct number of bottles per case. Our case size is standard for a particular product. Now it is time to visit tablet section. The dispensed quantity of all the materials is checked, weighed and sifted through a fine mesh of Vibro sifter. Then mixed in a mass mixture for wet granulation. The wet mass is then passed through a multimill to get uniform size of granules. These granules are then dried in FBD, the fluidized bed dryer. The dried granules are again passed through a particular mesh size before mixing with the lubricants. The dried granules are here mixed with proper quantity of lubricants. The granulation and lubrication area are maintained dust-free with the help of an effective AHU system, which supplies fresh 5 micron air with 100% exhaust. Finally, the granules are transferred to compression machine to give them the pre-decided shape and size of the tablet. The tablets are then passed through de-duster to remove the powder from the tablets. This area is air conditioned and fitted with humidity control device. Some tablets are packed and sold as uncoated tablets, while others with unpleasant and bitter taste go through film coating. In this process of film coating, a solution of coating material is sprayed on the tablets. Simultaneously, a blow of controlled hot air is also maintained to help the tablets for immediate drying. This is tablet inspection. Here, each and every tablet is carefully inspected in controlled and conditioned atmosphere for any kind of visible defect. All the inspected tablets are passed through a high precision, highly sensitive metal detector. Finally, the tablets are placed for blister packing machine. This is a machine having very fine and sharp adjustment to pack variety of tablets and capsules. The environment of this chamber is also controlled and maintained as per the requirement of the product. Every pack of blister is checked and inspected for perfectness of packing and sharpness of batch coding. The blisters are then packed in their cartons. The cartons are finally checked and inspected terminally before finally putting to the shipper pack. Capsule section. The calculated quantities of all the materials as received from the stores according to the requisition is checked, weighed and sifted from a fine mass of vibro sifter and mixed in a cone blender for a prescribed period of time. The plate is filled with empty capsules with the help of automatic capsule loader.
ये चलाएं?
The capsule loaded plate is then placed on the capsule filling machine that opens and fills the capsules with the powder and then lock the capsules. The capsules are now filled with calculated and pre-decided quantity of mixed powder. These capsules are then de-dusted and kept in quarantine for want of QC release. The environment of the capsule section is highly controlled for humidity, temperature, and is made dust-free with the help of an effective AHU system. The capsules are then transferred to strip packing area for their leak-proof perfect packing. These strips are then packed in their cartons and then transferred to the finished store. Oral powder is a little different and very uncommon section. Perhaps we are only one with this unique facility in this locality. The dispensed quantity of all the dried materials are checked, weighed and sifted through a fine mesh of vibro sifter and then mixed in a cone blender for a prescribed period of time. The mixed powder, after getting QC release, is then transferred to the hopper of the FFS machine. This machine automatically forms the sachet, fills the right quantity of powder in it, and then seal and cut the sachet ready for final packing in boxes. Interestingly, this machine puts the stamp of batch number etc. magically at the right place. It is necessary to mention that the environment of this section is highly controlled, as the powders used are highly moisture sensitive and thermolabile. Apart from pharma manufacturing facilities, we are also having separate facilities for manufacture of cosmetics and nutraceuticals. To strengthen our manufacturing facilities, a well-designed service area is provided on the top floor of the building to meet timely and effectively the requirements of manufacturing activities. All the AHUs are very well placed just above their manufacturing facilities. Boilers, air compressors, water treatment plant, pollution equipment, and many more things are placed on this floor to serve the requirement of manufacturing activities.
हॉट एयर ओवन है। इसको पेंट्रोमीटर बोलते हैं। इससे जनरली वैक्स वगैरह या किसी अदर चीज़ की कंसिस्टेंसी देखते हैं। इसको डिजोल्यूशन टेस्टर बोलते हैं। इसे टैबलेट की डिजोल्यूशन टाइम देखते हैं। चल गया
स्टूडेंट बैग चलो आगे चलो क्या
इसको ह्यूमिडिटी कैबिनेट बोलते हैं, जिसमें किसी चीज़ की स्टेबिलिटी की प्रोडक्ट की स्टेबिलिटी को देखते हैं। इसमें अंदर हम प्रोडक्ट को डाल देते हैं, इसलिए कम समय में ज़्यादा देर तक उसकी स्टेबिलिटी और टेम्परेचर वगैरह पे उसकी स्टेबिलिटी देख सकते हैं कि कितने दिन तक चल रहेगा। इसको पीएच मीटर देखते हैं, जैसे प्रोडक्ट का पीएच हम देखते हैं। पीएच को देखने का प्रोसेस इससे ये रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स देखने का पर्पस है। इससे रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स देखते हैं प्रोडक्ट से।
एक ट्रांसड्यूसर ऑपरेटर है, इससे किसी भी मटेरियल का वाटर देखते हैं। ये हमारा मेल्टिंग पॉइंट टेम्परेचर है, इससे किसी भी मटेरियल का मेल्टिंग पॉइंट देखते हैं। ये है कॉलीमीटर, इससे किसी चीज़ का स्पेसिफिक ऑप्टिकल रोटेशन देखते हैं। ये है कंडक्टिविटी मीटर, इससे किसी चीज़ की कंडक्टिविटी देखते हैं। यह है सोनिकेटर, इससे किसी मटेरियल को सोनिकेट करते हैं। और ये वर्क डेंसिटी एपरेटस है, इससे किसी मटेरियल की वर्क डेंसिटी देखते हैं। ऐसे चला के देखते हैं। ये फ्लेम फोटोमीटर है, ये फ्लेम फोटोमीटर है, इससे यह पोटेशियम और सोडियम देखते हैं। ये पीएच मीटर है, इससे पीएच मीटर है, इससे पीएच मीटर। हमारा हाईली सोफिस्टिकेटेड इंस्ट्रूमेंट है, HPLC, हाई परफॉर्मेंस लिक्विड क्रोमेटोग्राफ। यूवी स्पेक्ट्रोमीटर है, इससे किसी चीज़ की एब्जॉर्बेंस देखते हैं। हमारा फोटोक्लोरोमीटर है,
टाटा
We categorize all the timeline particles. Here we have 5 micron HEPA filters. And this is by room, 10,000 particulate air area. So this is our operational room, 5 microns. We have HEPA filters 0.3 microns, and we have UV light also. UV light here, and this is antibiotic zone, and this is incubator. We set the temperature 32 to 37 degrees Celsius here, and for bacteria, this is for bacteria. This is BOD incubator for fungi. We adjust the temperature of 22 to 27 degrees Celsius here. Inside the incubator, they incubate our metal plates like this. This is our streaking of our samples.
ओके
ये हमारा फिनिश प्रोडक्ट कंट्रोल सैंपल रूम है। जो जितने भी प्रोडक्ट हमारे बनते जाते हैं उनको हम सैंपल के तौर पे यहाँ पे रखते रहते हैं और डिस्ट्रॉय करते हैं एक्सपायरी होने के बाद।
Very nice presentation, sir.
So thank you, everyone. This was the factory tour of Pharmacy and Formulations Limited. I hope you have enjoyed it. We have tried to make it as brief as possible so that in the least possible time we can show you the maximum areas of the manufacturing unit. So again, thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, sir. Dhani?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So thank you so much, sir, for giving the glimpse regarding how the actually pharmacy works in factories. We got to know how formulations are packed and how they are produced. We got to know how they're manufactured and what is the quality control process and everything in between. So thank you so much, sir, for this opportunity. Now I would like to invite coordinator and General Secretary of IPGA Gujarat State Branch, Dr. Divesh Shastri sir, to give vote of thanks.
Thank you, Dhani. Thank you so much. Meanwhile, if any question answer is there from the audience, you can put it in the chat box. Else, I will give you the feedback form link for the certificate so that meanwhile you can write your questions in the feedback form also. The answers will be provided to you later on through email. Okay, moving towards the session. On behalf of IPGA Gujarat State Branch, I, Dr. Divesh Shastri, General Secretary, IPGA Gujarat State Branch, on behalf of the committee members, all the committee members, Student Forum, Women Forum, and members of IPGA Gujarat State Branch. Thank you so much for providing me the opportunity for giving a vote of thanks. So first of all, I congratulate Arvind Gupta sir and Dr. Sri Arjun Gupta sir for, and thank you so much for agreeing for this wonderful and memorable event on IPGA Gujarat State Branch platform for organizing a virtual industry visit of Pharmacient Formulations Limited. एक फोन कॉल पे ही आपने अरविंद सर ने हमें हाँ कह दिया और आफ्टर फरवरी 2022 हमने जब फर्स्ट ऑर्गेनाइज किया था वर्चुअल इंडस्ट्री विजिट विद फार्मासेंट, दोबारा वंस अगेन हमें मौका दिया एंड वंस अगेन वी हैव part 2 of the Pharmacient Formulations Limited's visit on virtual platform. Thank you so much, sir, Arvind sir, Arjun sir, and your entire team of Pharmacient Formulations Limited for designing and preparing such a wonderful video of industrial visit. This video is not only useful and providing knowledge to our students and not only to our institute students, but these students will get knowledge from the all the processes, whatever you have explained, liquid and solid orals, tablet, capsules, powders, semi-solids, along with the QC operations, packaging, and all operations in line with the marketing. Students will also get benefited in future also, as we have also uploaded the recordings on the YouTube on IPGA platform. So it will be available to all the students for visit if they have missed in part 1 or part 2, some if they have joined late, so they can visit the same thing on the recordings by YouTube link. We'll provide you along with the certificates to them. Sir, please accept our token of love and appreciation from IPG Gujarat State Branch certificate to you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, welcome, sir. And I again हमारी बात होती रहती है अरविंद गुप्ता सर से, पैट्रियोटिक एक्टिविटीज आप लोग कर रहे company is also working in these social activities in that directions. Always I will be getting messages regarding the things whenever in during the Operation Sindoor also I got the messages from Arvind sir. Sir, delighted to have your attachment with the nations and social activities along with patriotic activities by the company is also attached with such social activities. I'm really happy, sir, and congratulations and wish you our wishes, best wishes to you, sir, that you will be again inspiring us and motivating us in these directions and to our nations also, and our students will also get motivated and inspired to build their career along and be involved in the social and patriotic activities also, like you, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for giving us an opportunity to organize such a wonderful event on IPGA Gujarat State Branch on virtual platform. Thank you so much, sir, for providing your precious time before so much busy schedule. हम हमें तो क्या ऐसी students have vacation, those students are doing internship, they have joined. बाकी काफी students का exams भी चल रहा है अभी, लेकिन आपका schedules due to busy schedules in industry people are always busy. फिर भी आपने हमारे लिए time निकाला in the preparation of not only prepared such a wonderful video, but you have explained in such a way. जो presentation हमने देखा, I assure you, sir, students will learn a lot from this video. Thank you so much, sir, and we'll organize such beautiful events in future also. In this vote of thanks series again, I just extend my gratitudes and thanks to Shri Atul Kumar Nasa, sir, President IPGA Central Branch, New Delhi, who is always inspiring us and motivating us, our Gujarat State Branch team, to do such activities by online platform for IPGA Gujarat student and faculty members also. I'm thankful to Shri Jaya Balan, sir, for providing technical supports. He is the president of Alwar State Branch, but he is always willingly and ready to help us support. Due to he is also busy with the meeting, but even though they have provided this technical supports to us for the successful organization of the event. Next, I would like to thanks our IPJ Gujarat State Branch President Dr. Shrikal Deshpande, sir. Actually, our principal Dr. Divyang Dave, sir, principal Dr. Shrikal Deshpande, sir, is busy with the BOS meeting running, going on simultaneously at the university. So they were unable to join the session, but they have conveyed their message to me for the best wishes for this event. At last, I would like to thanks my special thanks to IPGA Women Forum and IPGA Student Forum, especially Dhwani Gajjar, Meet Gupta, Aditya, and Gokul and Nayan for their hard work for preparing such a wonderful organization of the event and their support. Thank you so much, Ankita madam. Thank you so much, Dhwani, for your time and support for this event. Lastly, I would like to thank all the students and faculty members of all over those who have joined from all over the India from different institutions. Registration we received from various colleges or institutions, not only in pharmacy but other institutions also regarding this industrial visit. So I would like to thank the audience, students, faculty members, and lastly all the team members, my colleagues, friends, and faculty members for their entire support during this virtual industry visit, organization and successful completion of the event. Thank you so much, sir. One more thing I would like to convey to the audience. Before proceeding to the end of the event, just to the audience that for the certificate and feedback form, kindly scan the QR code and give your valuable feedbacks for this again organization of the such events in the future on virtual platform. You can take a screenshot or scan this QR code for your feedback. We'll provide you the certificate later on. So meanwhile, you fill the QR code, feedback form by scanning through the QR code, and we'll play the national anthem and we'll end the session then after. Sir, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे, अर्जुन सर?
जी सर, अगेन थैंक यू सो मच देवेश सर, डॉक्टर देवेश जी, डॉक्टर अंकिता जी, ध्वनि जी, फॉर दिस wonderful industry tour. And again, thank you so much for having us, and we are always there for you. And this time we have we've done a virtual industrial tour, but next time we would like all of you to have a physical industrial tour. You all are invited to our Haridwar unit, and
Thank you so
we're
much.
more than happy to show you our new unit, which will be inaugurated soon. So let's plan for that in the future. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, and congratulations for the new venture, new expansion. Thank you so much, sir. So with
Thank
this,
you, Daksa. Thank you, Dhwani.
hello.
Thank you, Ankita, for organizing such a beautiful event. अभी वीडियो में थोड़ी कहीं कहीं दिक्कत थी, अभी मैं उसको ठीक करवाता हूँ. हाँ, कुछ तो भी टेक्निकल, कुछ तो भी नेटवर्क की भी प्रॉब्लम होती है, कुछ उसको उसमें हैवी हो जाता है ना, तो चलने में भी कई बार दिक्कत करता है. इसको थोड़ा सा और ठीक करता हूँ ताकि आगे से ठीक रहे. और बाकी आप सब लोगों का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगता है आप लोगों के साथ आने में मेरे को. हाँ, इसलिए टाइम की कोई बात नहीं है. दिवेश सर बोल रहे टाइम बहुत बिजी शेड्यूल है. अपनों के साथ टाइम निकालने में कोई बिजी नहीं होता, हर कोई एंजॉय करता है अपनों के साथ होने में. तो आई ऑलवेज फील प्लेजर टू बी विथ यू. Thank you very much. Anytime, all the time, you are available. I am available on telephone. Anybody can contact me whenever for any purpose is required. Okay. Thank you all.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. With the national anthem, we'll end the session. So, sir, can we proceed for national anthem?
The audio is not audible.
I think.
आई थिंक आप नेशनल एंथम को रहने दीजिए, क्योंकि सब लोग अपनी अपनी जगह
हाँ.
खड़े भी नहीं हो पाएंगे.
हाँ
थोड़ा सा
हाँ सर.
डिसिप्लिन भी रह जाएगा. बस इसको ऐसे ही मान
हाँ
लेते हैं
सर.
कि नेशनल एंथम हो गया.
हाँ सर.
है ना? ठीक है.
जय हिंद
ओके.
सर. जय हिंद
ओके,
सर.
बाय
हाँ.
बाय. जय हिंद.
जय हिंद सर. हाँ.